As a commercial vacuum heat treater, Solar Atmospheres provides services to manufacturing. So Solar Atmospheres has a wide variety of opportunities that are out there for folks. And as we continue to grow, hopefully we'll see more of those opportunities open up.
I'm from South Carolina, from Dacusville, Pickens County, South Carolina. I've lived here, grown up here all my life. Got my GED and went through Foothills Family Resources to do that. And through them I went through the manufacturing class with Greenville Tech. Had a couple different interviews, and one of them was up here with Solar Atmospheres Southeast. It's a really interesting field, doing the different stuff with the metal, changing the properties. And I have the opportunities to progress through the ranks, move eventually supervisor position, and have leadership abilities over people and be able to branch out. It's great that the manufacturing scene is picking back up in the South in Greenville County. It's been one of the manufacturing textile leaders of the world since manufacturing began. This is a great area. It's great weather. It's beautiful. You got the mountains, the Blue Ridge Mountains. You can just see them everywhere. I absolutely see myself staying in the Upstate forever. Having the ability to do a job like this one so close to home is pretty great. Not having to move, not having to uproot my life, just being able to find work within the area I live in. It's not too far of a drive. It's real fortunate to have work like this available in my local area.